Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for October 12th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This pair moved lower, did pull up to create a new high, at least from the previous session, but closed lower. We are looking for this pair overall to continue to the downside. We do have a potential for a pullback, but overall the direction's to the downside. So let's take a Let's look for it to go up to 82.71 on a pullback, potentially going down to 80.91 if it moves lower. Look for some resistance around 82.35 and look for some support around 81.38. Now the Euro USD pair, this particular pair has started moving sideways, did close up, moved lower first, but then pulled back, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 140.79, possibly as low as 137.10. Look for some resistance around 140.30 and look for some support around 137.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair closed lower during today's session. We are looking for this pair overall to be moving sideways. There is a slight bias to the upside still. Look for it to potentially go as high as 16002, possibly as low as 156.53. Look for some resistance around 159.50 and look for some support around 157.50. Now the US Swiss, this particular pair moved lower, didn't quite. It basically tagged the low of this session, didn't quite break below it. Looking for a close below this low really before it starts moving lower again. Overall, it's been moving sideways over the past couple of sessions. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.9779, possibly as low as 0.9413. Look for some resistance around 0.9725. and look for some support around 0.9550. Okay, now as far as news analysis go, we have the pound releasing their jobless claims change for September at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it's moved higher from 2.3K to 4.5K. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, let me show you. I know we talk about swing trades a decent amount, but I do want to show you how you can potentially find an exit for a swing trade. You know, so we have a swing trade opportunity that has occurred over the past 3 sessions right here. And instead of using our normal support and resistance type exit, which of course here and here would be key elements, let's go ahead and use our Fibonacci retracement levels to take a look at what it would say as far as where a potential exit would be. Well, the next level up would be fairly quick, roughly about a 18 pip move, and then it goes up even to a little bit higher point, which in this case would be about an 81 pip move. So that's another way to use, basically use your Fibonacci retracements to identify potential exits. Here's another one. We have a swing trade opportunity in the US-Japanese, or the Euro USD rather. It's been created over the past 3 sessions as well. Looking for a short. It is a good ways from the market, but nonetheless looking for a short there. Here again, you can use your Fibonacci retracement levels to potentially identify areas where the market may pull back or find some level of support or resistance. In this case, it would be support. Look for an entry here, basically selling, and looking to get out of the market at 23.6% retracement, or at least go to break even as it moves lower. In this case, that would be roughly about a 40 pip move. So that's just another way, and you can use this on any time frame. If we drop down to the hour time frame and move forward a little bit, we can see we have some inside bars here. We actually had 1, 2, it looks like it broke out there to some degree, but nonetheless, if we were looking for a break to the downside, say off of this low right here, where would be a good potential? We can grab our Fibonacci retracement levels, just grab the bottom to the high, and we have another area which corresponds with some areas of resistance over here that we could look to potentially exit the trade. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.